Stop! Before you waste another $200 on the wrong streaming device. I tested all of them so you don't have to suffer. What's good, YouTube family? Your boy Ohm here, and today we're ranking the top 5 streaming devices that'll make your TV actually smart. But first, smash that like if you've ever thrown a remote in frustration. We're going fast today because your attention span is shorter than a TikTok. Let's go! Number 5, Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. The budget beast. This little guy costs less than your daily Starbucks, but streams 4K like a champ. Wi-Fi 6E, Alexa built-in, but warning, more ads than a Times Square billboard. Great for broke college students, though. Number 4, Apple TV 4K. If your house looks like an Apple store and money isn't real to you, fastest processor, zero lag, but costs more than my car payment. Only get this if you bleed apple juice, okay? Number 3, Roku Ultra. The device your grandma can actually use. Simple, reliable, and neutral like Switzerland. Perfect for anyone who just wants Netflix without the PhD in technology. Plus, you can find your lost remote. Genius. Number 2, NVIDIA Shield TV Pro for the gamers and tech nerds who want all the power. This thing uses AI to make old videos look 4K. It's literally magic. Expensive magic, but magic nonetheless. And the winner, Google Chromecast with Google TV. The Goldilocks device, not too expensive, not too basic, just right. Aggregates all your streaming apps, voice remote that actually works, Dolby Vision, and won't break your bank account. Quick recap. Chromecast wins, Roku for simplicity, Apple for flexing, Fire Stick for budgets, Shield for power users. But hold up, what's your streaming setup? Drop it in the comments. And if this saved you money, smash that like button like it owes you money. Subscribe for more tech that doesn't suck. I'm Ohm, and remember, life's too short for bad streaming. Peace.